everyone, I'm Ben Coleman, your anchor host for the Florida Aviation Network. You might not have recognized me with the hat on, but we're going to have a spot landing contest at Sentimental Journey 2023. It's 3, okay. We have Roger and Amanda. There's Roger, there's Amanda, okay. Roger, tell us, and then we're going to get to Amanda. Hang on. Roger, what are you going to do here today?
Well, we have decided to do an impromptu spot landing contest because we had some really bad weather up here, and it's a little too easy to feel defeated by it. And in the spirit of Sentimental Journey and the Piper Cub tradition, we're not going to let that happen. We have some intrepid pilots and a couple of semi-intrepid announcers, and we're going to have some fun here, no matter what it really looks like. And we're going to soldier on, and our new spirit that we have just inaugurated is the spirit of 2024.
And we say that because I understood that all of the participants have donated their winnings to throw it in the kitty for next year.
Yeah, Amanda, tell them about that, will you?
Yeah, so the brave pilots that have agreed to get together and still do the spot landing contest all agreed that they'll buy in for $20, but at the end, instead of it being prize money, they're going to donate it all back to Sentimental Journey in the spirit of 2024. Because if we don't have Sentimental Journey 2024, we don't have a spot landing contest. Therefore, we need to make it all happen. So the spirit of 2024.
And the adage is 2024 will be here with a roar. That's the way we say it.
That's
Very
right.
good. I like it. 2024 with a roar. Couldn't
There you
say-
go.
Perfect work by our buddy Ben Coleman.
And I'm
Put it
going to
on
be
the
here.
t-shirts.
And I am I'm the safety guy because I'm watching there because we have winds favoring 9, but we're doing the spot landing contest on runway 27. So it's going to be downwind landings and touch and goes. So I mean, this is a non-towered airport, so it's all the visual of the pilots to maintain separation and know what's going on. They're all on frequency, and I'm going to be listening.
I might also add that the downwind component has reduced significantly. We may be looking at 5 miles an hour or something that all pilots, as they get their private pilot license, are taught to cope with.
We can do this. And there goes one of our contestants there.
Bill Clifford.
One of our brave contestants. Okay, we're going to have some fun here today. And anyway, Sentimental Journey 2023, this might be the last interview for this year, but 24 with a roar.
24 with a roar.
Hey.
All right.
Bachman and our family's L2.
Pretty respectable. Pretty respectable. I went real comfortable with doing it.
Bachman and our family's L2. He flies out of Harmon Pride Airport.
Hello, everyone. Ben Coleman, your anchor host with the Florida Aviation Network, live and in the clear, Lock Haven, Pennsylvania, Sentimental Journey 2023. We're proud to have the pilot of that airplane. Oh, I can't do that. Heck, that pretty little orange L-16 in the back, correct, pink L-16 in the back, was being navigated and piloted by Mr. Brian Bell. Brian, congratulations on your win there.
Thank you.
You did 2 feet 6 inches, I believe, and that's pretty darn good. There were a couple DQs from a lot of folks, but you made it there, and you kept the mains on the ground, and it's just good. We didn't have any problems. Things have been a little bit subdued here due to the weather. But do you have any thoughts? What was going through your mind when you were making that approach? And were you nervous? Were you thrilled? What was going on?
No, just focused and trying to do the best I could. So glad the weather cleared out so we could do this, and we appreciate you guys putting it on for us.
No, we appreciate it. And by the way, all the winnings was kicked back in the kitty for 2024.
Yep, we want to do this next year.
And the year after, and the year after, and the year after until your little ones. How many kids do you have here with you?
We have 6 kids, 3 of which are here this year.
Okay, but they're going to come back and they're going to be flying.
Absolutely.
How many aircraft do you have here in the family?
We have 3 in the family here,
Okay.
and our group over there with Camp Bohica had about 12 or 13 planes this year come up.
Camp Bohica, and we got Camp Fubar and Camp Bohica. Camp Bohica, Bohica, what's that acronym for?
Bend over, here it comes again.
Oh, you're working for the government?
No, I just have 6 kids.
Okay. That does ring a bell there. Okay. Well, Brian, thank you very much for joining us. We're going to sign off,
Thank you,
and
sir.
this was a hell of a good event, and you're good stick. Good stick. Your wife's not too bad either. We have to have a fly off, and next year I'm going to recommend we have fit, form, and function. And we're going to have just general landing contests of stabilization, form, 3-point, and mains. 2 different variations in the tailwheel airplane.
Excellent.
For conventional. Fit, form, and function.
Sounds like it'll be fun.
Take care.
Take care.
And that's going to round it up here at the Sentimental Journey 2023. Ben Coleman. We'll see you next interview, probably next year, from Lock Haven, Pennsylvania.